Assalamu alaikum bachcho. Today the date is 21st January. The day is Thursday. The subject is mathematics. Today our topic is word problem in subtraction. This is from unit 2, addition and subtraction. Today our lecture about this unit is lecture number 8. First of all, look at example. The example is the total population of a city is 742,579. If there are 484,014 men, find the number of women in the city. बच्चों ये आप लोगों को इस तरीके से बहुत अच्छे तरीके से आ जाएगा कि अगर आप इस नंबर को बार बार इस क्वेश्चन को बार बार पढ़ें तो आपको स्टेटमेंट बनाने में आसानी होगी। वो कैसे बच्चों? अगर हम देखें रीड करते हैं द टोटल पॉपुलेशन ऑफ ए सिटी इज़, सो फर्स्ट स्टेटमेंट इज़ पॉपुलेशन, टोटल पॉपुलेशन of a city is, yes, what is 742,579. एंड नेक्स्ट के लिए फिर हम दोबारा क्वेश्चन को पढ़ेंगे. इफ़ देयर आर 484,014 मैन, सो सेकेंड स्टेटमेंट क्या बनेगी बेटा? नंबर ऑफ मैन्स, नंबर ऑफ मैन, हाउ मच? 484,014. These are men. The last statement, find the number of women in the city. We write here number of women in a city. Yes, this is the larger number and this is the total number of a city, total population in a city. So these numbers are the men. So we subtract the number of men from total population of a city. So total population of a city is 742,579 minus number of men. Number of men is 484,014. So we subtract these in rough work. Look, this is rough work. 742,579 minus 484,014. Subtract this. 9 minus 4, 5 is there. 7 minus 1, 6 is there. 5 minus 0, 5. We don't minus 4 from 2, so we give borrow to this 2. There is left 3 and there is 12. 12 minus 4, 8 is here. We can't minus 8 from 3, so there is 13 and there is left 13 minus 8, 5 is there, and 6 minus 4, 2 is there. So the number of women are 258,565. So this is the answer.